Hey everybody, Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. So everybody's been asking for an update on the 48 Cadillac that I bought. We've had a lot of issues here with in California with wildfires and things like that. So my friend that is due to go get the car for me, he's like the only guy that I will let touch any of my cars for transport because he's so careful. And I've had a lot of really bad experiences with using like just transport that you find online, or even I'm not going to mention any names, but even some of the enclosed carriers have damaged some cars that we've had in the past. One of my mom's cars, they damaged on an enclosed carrier. So I found my friend William, and we've become fast friends. I actually bought a Cadillac hearse from him many years ago, and the friendship with him and his family kind of just started from there. So he is actually also undergoing some surgery this week, not major surgery, but anyway, so he's been having, like I said, to deal with the fires and then also his surgery that he's having, but hopefully the plan is that the car will get picked up at the end of this month. I was hoping for this last week, but like I said, it just didn't work out with the fires. It was nobody's fault. He was under evacuation warning, and the fires were like, you know, a mile from his house, so he had to stay around to protect all his cars and his property. So that is the update on the car. It's safe and sound in the garage of the previous owner, and he has assured me that he will not be moving it outside until the car gets picked up. So yeah, just playing the waiting game now. I can't wait to get it here and start cleaning everything up and show you guys what it looks like. Super excited. One family car. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll relate the video. I always say I'll put it in the link below, but I honestly haven't figured out how to do that yet. So if you guys just look through my videos, you will see the video on the 48 Cadillac, and that has all the information and pictures of the car. So hopefully you guys will go on there and check it out. Thank you as always for watching my channel, supporting what I do. I'll see you guys next time on the next Cadillac adventure. Take care everybody. Have a blessed evening.